Hi, my name is Denomme, and this is handout number 11. Now, in order to do this, we need to increase the size of the array to 10 elements using the arrays.copy method. So first, we need to create a temporary array, which is, we need to create a temporary array using the arrays.copy method. This temporary array will be called temp. So int temp equals arrays copy of arrays.copy of my array, taking the values of my array but we're going to make it length 10. Now we need to update the reference, and in order to update the reference we need to do this as follows. Temp my array equals temp. Now what this essentially has done is we have created a new array, let's say size 4. We have created a new array of size 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, or size 10, but let's say that was a 4 for now. And we have inserted we have inserted 5 values into that array, so it would be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And now what this method does is we have inserted the actual reference values into the new array, creating a new reference of size 10. And now we need to set the valid size. Valid size int valid size equals 5, because valid size, we need to set the valid size as 5. Now we need to find out a way to swap two elements. We need to find out a way to swap 0 and 2. Now we first need to create a temporary value. So int temp a equals my array 0. What this essentially means is that this value right here equals the value in the 0th position of the array. Now, using this my array 0, we need to set the value of my array 0 to my array my array 2, because now my array 0, the value at my array 0 is now equal to my array 2. So if the value of my array 2 was 3, then the value at my array 0, the first index, is now equal to 3. Now, saying this, we now have, basically what that turns into is we now have, so let's say the array was 1, 2, 3. We now have 3, 2, 3. We need to find out a way to switch the third value here, which is exactly what this is for. Temp a still equals 1. So we set my array 2 and we make that equal to temp a. And what that essentially does is that makes this value, the third value, equal to the original value of my array 0, which in this case would be 1. So we just made the array 1, 2, 3 into 3, 2, 3, and now since the original value was 1, it is now 3, 2, 1, and we have now swapped the third and first position of the array. Now the second part of this is to remove the third element. Now in order to remove the third element, we need to